On Wednesday, 20 January 2016, we were rescuing orangutan, mother with a baby. We come in the morning and we see this orangutan is still sleeping on the nest, and then we start to prepare the drugs to sedate the orangutan. We try to shoot with the dart gun. We need to try it for 3 times because this orangutan, this mother, has a high level of stress, so it's really difficult to sedate her. So we tried 3 times. When we already sedate her and then we check the general physical check and then check the samples, and then it's surprising because the condition of this orangutan is really poor. She really thin, and then we just know from the people who monitoring her that she haven't eat for quite a long time, so she really looks so poor and skinny.
Bagusnya. Nasi bagus ini, Bang.
Action.
Melesem. Halo sayang. Halo sayang.
Iya, iya.
Halo. Yuk, sayang. Nggak usah dipaksa. Pelan-pelan aja. Ayo sayang. Ayo. Enggak. Sayang ya.